Pero at least, may uubos na mga leftover. Yeah. Hi mga Zubs! Good morning! Mimi is already done with the breakfast. And me, my tea. Hi kay Daddy. Hi Daddy. Sing na si Andy. Kumain na yun si Mimi. Tayo na lang dito. Mga Zubs! Monday na naman, kaya puyat-puyat. Grabe, kasi kagabi, di ba lumabas kami, kaya hirap bumangon. 1 o'clock na. Anong gusto mong kainin, babe?
Something.
You want something?
I want something too.
Hey, yung takaw mo.
Where's my phone, man?
I don't know.
You throw it in the window.
It's not there.
No, that's not the one there.
Ito na guys, ang egg at ang bacon. Yan ang breakfast namin ni Annie. Tapos mag-check ako ng avocado. Meron pa akong avocado dyan. Wait lang. Wala ng avocado, bubulok na. So, ayan na lang. Banana, egg, and bacon. Mga Zubs! Andito na kami sa gym, sa parking lot. Hinatid nila ako, syempre. Tapos si King, aantayin ko din dito sa gym kasi may training siya. So, ayan, si Mimi. Hi, Mimi! Hi! You're gonna go to OTR after?
I'm gonna OTR.
Okay. And then si ate. Ate, pakita ka.
Hi.
Naka-uniform kasi si ate. Ayan. Bye-bye. Kiss ako.
Bye.
Wala akong kiss, Lele. Lapit ka. Bangga na. Bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Bye, babe.
Tapos na ako mag-gym. I'm just waiting for my sundo, guys. Punta na sila. Grabe yung workout ko today. Sobrang haba. Binawi ko talaga yung mga kinain ko kahapon. Kaya, ayun. Sana, nabawi naman. Pero feeling ko naman, nabuo ko din yung treadmill ko ng incline 15 for 1 hour. Tapos nag-back exercise ako. At saka nag-abs. Kaya naman, happy ako dahil talagang ang sarap ng workout ko. So ngayon naman, uwi ako. I'm gonna cook some egg. May naka-ready na akong quinoa doon. Tapos, I'll check kung meron pa akong adobo or other meat na naka-freezer sa bahay. But I'm sure marami akong makukuha ang pagkain doon. back to diet life. And I love it.
Let's go. Alrighty guys, so we are in Glenelg. We didn't feel like eating anything in the house, so we're off to get some Korean chicken. Yes, baby. That will be the start of the vlog.
Effective yung leg workout.
Oh, no running, please, memes.
Ano ba yan, memes? Sarado naman guys, yung pagpunta namin doon sa Korean store. Sa Korean restaurant, sarado. So ngayon kami ay... Ano babe, saan tayo punta? Sa mami mo? We're going to Olas kasi apparently meron daw maraming natirang chicken sa bahay nila. So, yun na lang kakainin namin kasi Andy wants to eat chicken. Di ba, memes?
Do you have a bike?
Bike? What bike?
You left your thing there yesterday, I think.
Yeah, it's at the back.
Is it? Or in the backyard, you mean?
Baka nasa backyard ng mami mo. I don't know. So, ito na guys, papunta kami sa bahay nila Andy. Doon na lang muna kami kakain. Kasi, every Monday dito, usually, nagsasara talaga yung mga restaurant. Ang open nila is Wednesday hanggang Sunday pa.
And that's swimming!
Ikaw ba yun, Daddy?
It's just a car.
Yes, pala.
Ay, nako, Daddy.
Just a car.
So, ayun. Yeah, that's the car. That's the car seat. So, sarado. Parang Sunday sa atin ng Monday dito pagdating sa mga restaurant. Yun yung parang pahinga nila. So, eto na. Pupunta kami dun kila Ola. Punta na naman kami dun kahapon. Nandun lang kami. Pero at least, may uubos na mga leftover. Punta na kami dyan, Ola.
Alrighty guys, just got here to the gym. I wasn't actually that motivated to come out here, to be honest. It was just sort of one of those feelings that I was like, ugh, I'm so tired. We actually had 2 days off, I just realized now, so I'm glad I actually dragged myself out here. But yeah, I just didn't have the energy. We had quite a long night last night and we were out till like midnight, but Naz and Jar Jar were at the house, so we had a chat for like 2 hours. So they ended up leaving near 2 a.m. so it was quite a long night, and then I got to get up early. Oof. So yeah, it was a bit of a challenge to get out here, but on the way I just had to fill up with getting some gas, so I put $50 worth of gas in before getting here. But yeah, this session I'm going to do shoulders. Pretty happy with the way like my weight is looking at the moment, so I'm sitting at 80. Well, this morning I was 81.6. I was 81 the other day, but it's probably due to more so what I ate yesterday. We ate quite a lot, so it was just maybe a bit of a shock for my body. But yeah, weight's going good. I'm just hoping that I can mentally pull through this one for this session, because yeah, I need to get a good one in because I had 2 days off. So yeah, let's get it.
Green light, let's get it. Green light, let's get it. Green light, let's get it. Green light, let's get it. Green light, let's get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win, 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 win. I'm on 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Hello, I'm Himothy. I got the recipe. I got the flow. I got the remedy. I know they do. I know they envy me. Feet on the floor. What they gon' say now? We came along from last place, bottom to top of the fast pace. Out of this surf, I get touchdown. I take a loss, get it back 8. I'm in the gym putting numbers up. You're never there, you got bad traits. Never excuses or cover ups. Learn from the losses and bad breaks. Green light, let's get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning.
Mama, thank you for saving the day. Grabe, palagi na lang ano. And guys, thank you for watching.